The 2025 Toyota Camry delivers a refined and modern experience that continues to elevate its reputation as a reliable and stylish midsize sedan. This year's model brings a combination of upgraded styling, new tech features, and an improved driving experience that makes it stand out even in a highly competitive segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Camry adopts a sleek and dynamic design. Its front fascia is more aggressive than previous versions, with a bolder grille and newly designed LED headlights that stretch further into the fenders. The lines on the sides are clean but sharp, adding a sense of motion even when the car is at a standstill. The rear has also been refreshed, featuring slimmer LED taillights and a more sculpted bumper. The new alloy wheels, available in 17-inch to 19-inch options depending on the trim, give the car a sportier stance. Overall, the exterior design is elegant yet athletic, making it appealing to both family drivers and style-conscious customers. Moving to the interior, the 2025 Camry offers a more premium experience than ever before. Soft touch materials and stitched leatherette surfaces are present across the dashboard and doors. The seating is comfortable and supportive, especially in the XSE and XLE trims where you get leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, and seat ventilation options. Rear legroom remains generous, making long drives more comfortable for passengers. The centerpiece of the cabin is the new 12.3-inch floating touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated with a revised infotainment system that is faster and more intuitive than before. The digital instrument cluster and optional head-up display add to the high-tech feel of the cabin. Sound insulation has been improved, which reduces road and wind noise, creating a more peaceful driving experience. Ambient lighting and a panoramic glass roof are also available on higher trims, adding to the luxury feel. In terms of performance, the 2025 Toyota Camry gives buyers multiple options. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces around 203 horsepower and offers a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency, delivering up to 32 miles per gallon combined. For those looking for more excitement, the 3.5-liter V6 engine generates 301 horsepower, providing quick acceleration and a more spirited driving experience, especially in the sportier trims. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and responsively. The Camry also comes with an optional all-wheel drive system with the four-cylinder engine, adding extra confidence for drivers in colder climates. The suspension setup remains tuned for comfort, but it handles corners with precision and stability. Toyota has also fine-tuned the steering response to feel more direct, giving the driver a better connection with the road. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota Camry starts at around $27,000 for the base LA model, while the mid-tier SE and XLE trims range between $30,000 to $34,000 depending on selected options. The sport-oriented XSE and the powerful V6 versions can go up to around $38,000. Hybrid models are also available, starting at approximately $29,000 and offering impressive fuel economy ratings of over 50 miles per gallon combined. While the price varies based on trim level and added packages, the Camry continues to offer excellent value with its blend of style, comfort, performance, and reliability. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Camry proves that it's not just a practical choice, but also a car that delivers in every key area, making it one of the most well-rounded sedans available today.